Welcome to What's New, Andrew. Today we're going to take a look at a follow-up to a video I recently did on DNS over TLS. Today we're going to enforce the rules that all clients have to use the DNS over TLS. So even if they put in their own DNS IP addresses for things like Cloudflare or Google, it will force them to use DNS over TLS. In our case, we're using Mullvad as our provider. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a firewall that'll block all access to using unencrypted DNS over port 53 is the first part. The second part is we're going to reroute that traffic from port 53 that'll reroute it back into our firewall and have it sent out over DNS over TLS. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to start out looking at our firewall here. So again, this is the demo firewall I have. So it has a local internal IP address. And we're going to actually protect both the LAN interface and the OPT interface, which are both of our internal interfaces, and force any clients on those to use DNS over TLS, regardless of what they have manually set up as their DNS servers. So to start this out, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Firewall, and we're going to go over to Rules. We're going to set up a floating rule. Now, a floating rule is a rule that gets processed against all of your interfaces. It's the first rules to go. So we're going to do this so we don't have to put these rules in each one of our different LAN interfaces. So we're going to go ahead and start it out by going to the right here, hitting plus. And then here, what we're going to do is we're going to block. So we're blocking all of the traffic that's going out over port 53. So we're going to say block. We want to apply this immediately anytime anything matches on it. We're going to go down here to the interfaces. So again, you want to select all of your LAN interfaces. So in my case, it's LAN and OPT1. If you have any VLANs that you want to enforce this on as well, go ahead and set those up here as well. So anytime you create a new VLAN, you'll want to go in here and add it back. So we'll go ahead and select both of those. The direction is outbound. So we're capturing all that outbound traffic to make sure that we send that over, we don't send that over the internet unencrypted. The next thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that the protocol is set to TCP UDP, which is what we use for the DNS queries. And then we're going to scroll down here. Source and destination are set to any, which is exactly what we want. But we want to do the destination port range is anything that is trying to go out over DNS, which is port 53. We're going to go ahead and give it a description, and we're going to say block port 53 DNS traffic. You can call it whatever you want, but that's what we're going to call this one. Let's save, and we'll apply those changes. So now we've blocked all of the traffic that's going out over port 53. And if we look over here with our connection check, you can see that my machine that I'm using now is set to use Cloudflare. So it's using all of these different Cloudflare unencrypted servers. So I used 1.1.1.1. So these are all my Cloudflare servers that it's using for unencrypted DNS traffic. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at how to now reroute that traffic so that it goes over DNS over TLS. The next thing we need to do is go to our NAT and port forward. And here we're going to create a new one by clicking the add in the top right corner. We'll go over here and we're going to say the interface on this one is again going to be all of our LAN interfaces. So we'll say LAN and OPT, and we'll uncheck our WAN interface because we're not doing it for that one. Again, the protocol is going to be TCP UDP. And instead of single host for the destination, we're going to change this to all. So scroll down here, or any rather. And then the destination port is going to be DNS. So again, we need to go find DNS, and that's port 53. And we're redirecting all of that to itself, to the same firewall, which is 127.0.0.1. So it's saying redirect it here to the local machine over DNS. And then what that's going to do is that's going to then forward it out through Unbound DNS over DNS over TLS. Description, I'm just going to call this reroute port 53. Go to the bottom here and we'll hit save and then apply those changes. And now what we've done is the two steps. We've blocked all the traffic so it can't go out over the firewall, it can't go over the internet, unencrypted on port 53. We've taken that unencrypted traffic, rerouted it to the firewall itself so that all of that traffic will then go out over port 53, I think it is, but it'll go out over DNS over TLS instead of unencrypted. So let's take a look and see on Mullvad if it worked. Might take a moment. We'll refresh it. And now we have no leaks. So if we look now, we're using the DNS over TLS that we set up before. So if we go back over here to our settings within our services, go up to Unbound DNS and DNS over TLS, we'll see that we're using the DNS over Mullvad, or DNSmullvad.net for our host name. We've got the IP address and port 853, so it's all encrypted now. So now any clients that you have that are using their own custom DNS servers are automatically going to reroute to your OPNsense and run out of DNS over TLS. So you won't be leaking any DNS queries from clients or people that might join your network, or any other machines that are out there that you don't know about that are using unencrypted DNS. It'll now all be forced to go over DNS over TLS. So I hope that was helpful for you. I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, go ahead and hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.